Hello learners, I'm Assistant Professor Cheryl Wienendice, the Program Coordinator of MTTM. Today we are going into the topic Destination Profiling. Part 1. It is part of your subject Travel Consultancy and Tour Operations. Module 1, Session 6. Now what is a destination profile and why is it so important? Firstly, it gives you all the information that you would need before you travel to a particular destination. One of the popular methods used by travel consultants is to find out the 5 A's of a destination. So let us try and identify what the 5 A's are and what it means to you as a travel consultant. The first A is accommodation. As you all know that when you travel, you need a place to dwell which is outside your usual place of dwelling. This happens at the destination. Accommodations are of various types. They are broadly classified into star properties or diamond ratings. Star properties are famous in India, whereas diamond ratings are internationally known. It can range from a 1-star to a 5-star property and sometimes above that. Moving on to the second A, accessibility. If you know about a destination, you should also know how to get there. And above all, it should be accessible to people who are disabled either temporarily or permanently. The people who are disabled temporarily are women who are pregnant, young children, or people who are wounded or injured and are not mobile. And you should also be aware of how to get there and what are the modes of transportation to get to this destination. It could be by air, sea, land, that is train, bus, coach, camper vans, cab. It could also be by rail. The success of a destination also depends on the activities that are provided there. If you're looking at a vineyard, there would be activities like wine pressing or tasting of wine. There would be other activities if you are closer to a coastal area, such as kayaking, parasailing. There would be activities such as bungee jumping and other adventure or leisure activities, even sailing for that matter. The fourth A is attractions. A destination would have places to visit and see, and these attractions could be man-made or naturally occurring. The image that you're seeing here is the Mad King Ludwig's castle from Germany. The fifth A would be amenities. Amenities are things that are easily available and which makes your stay memorable at the destination. And these are things such as towels, bathrobes, hot or cold running water, hot tub, mini bar, jacuzzi, spa items which are available along with the other toiletries, hair dryer, coffee or tea maker, microwave, a mini bar, TV, or fridge. With this, we have discussed all the 5 A's, starting with accommodation, accessibility, activities, attraction, and amenities. Now, here is a basic activity that is provided to you. You are required to identify this famous museum which is located in Europe. Now, profile this destination using the 5 A's that you just covered in this section. The 5 A's which are closest to this attraction. Share your findings on the LMS. And with that, we come to the end of this session. We will be meeting again in the part 2 of destination profiling, where you will learn how to physically profile a destination. Thank you for listening.